Hello, welcome back to the Botanical Cake Studio. Today I have a Eucalyptus Nicholii tutorial. It's super simple and only requires a few tools. So I'm just going to begin with some wire here, and you can use 26 or 28 gauge, whichever is your preference. And take some green floral paste or gum paste and lightly knead it until it's pliable. Then roll it out on your veining board until it's nice and thin. And then I'm just going to take some small embroidery scissors and first of all cut the bottom and the top off the paste where the vein is, and then I'm going to cut a long leaf shape. So Eucalyptus Nicholii can have more of a pointed end or rounded, so do take a look at some pictures and decide which you'd like to do. And then I'm just going to dip my wire into a bit of egg white and insert it through the vein. Now just thin out the edges of the leaves and stretch it out slightly. And then I like to go over the back just to reduce the vein as well. My end's looking a bit too pointy, so I'm just going to give the side a trim and just round off the end ever so slightly. Now take the narrow end of your Dresden tool and run it down the centre of the leaf carefully to create a vein. Then I'm just going to let it dry in my foam pad to give it a bit of shape. Now I'm just rolling out and creating a few more leaves in exactly the same way. To dust my leaves, I'm just using a medium green here. I'm using Sage by Roxy & Rich. And I'm just dusting all over the leaf with the green. Now I'm ready to wire my leaves together. I've just added a small amount of white half-width floral tape to the top of each wire, so where the wire meets the leaf. And I'm now just going to add in a wire to strengthen the stem. So you could use whatever wire you like here. I've used a 22 gauge. And then I'm just adding my leaves one by one with a small amount of the stem showing. Now I'm going to use some brown tones to dust my stem, so I'm using Sugar Flare Terracotta and Roxy & Rich Latte. And I'm just going to combine these two and dust all over the stem. Once you've finished dusting the stem, you can then use the same brown to dust the edges of the leaves to give a nice realistic finish. I then like to spray mine lightly with confectioner's glaze to help set the colour and give a really light sheen. And then that's your finished eucalyptus. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for all the latest videos.